Welcome to MATE2129. This is Lee Belford, your course instructor. In this course, we'll take a problem-solving based approach to elementary mathematics with a focus on geometry, measurement, and data. I come to this space with experience as a mom, wife, and daughter, with 22 years in the classroom, 7 years of academic coaching, and 10 years of teaching math methods courses here at ECU. I'm also a national board certified teacher and hold teaching certificates in elementary math, academically gifted education, and middle school math. Effective communication is essential in any college course, especially in online courses. If you were to need to reach out to me during the semester, you would do so through email, through a text message, or by using the booking app, all found on the course homepage. You can also find this information in our course syllabus. The Bookings app may be new to you, so let me show you how it works. You'll begin by clicking on Click here to book a meeting with me. This will take you to my booking page. On the booking page, you'll click the date in which you'd like to meet, and then you'll choose a time. From here, you will set an appointment by clicking Next. When you click Book, the system is going to generate an email to both you and to me, your instructor, that includes a link to our virtual meeting. When it's time for the meeting, you'll find that email and click the link to link up. This course consists of 9 problem sets, 7 quizzes, 2 tests, and optional discussion boards. I'll let you read more about the optional discussion boards in the syllabus, but I want to talk to you about the problem sets and the learning cycle that we will use through each of the sets. Each problem set will be presented as a PowerPoint presentation. At first, you will work through the problem set using the provided resources and create your rough draft thinking. This is just doing your personal best on the problem tasks. I'm not expecting for you to be perfect, but I am expecting for you to give optimal effort. After you have finished your rough draft thinking, you'll post your work to a quiz, and immediately the feedback will provide you with an answer key. This is where you move to step 2. In step 2, you'll be revising your thinking and reflecting. You will use the answer key provided to look over your work and decide what areas in which you need to focus your growth. Then you'll complete a reflection assignment using a provided template. As you complete your revise and reflection task, you're encouraged to reach out to your instructor or classmates for support. You can reach out to your classmates through the optional discussion board for each problem set. After you've completed the reflection assignment, you will submit it to Canvas and move on to taking the formative assessment quiz. In this quiz, you'll show what you've learned in the problem set. At this point, I'm sure you're wondering, where should I begin? The answer lies on the course homepage. You will click on week 1 right by the purple arrow to start your first week of learning. I've outlined your work each week within the weekly pages. From these pages, you'll find a weekly outline of assignments to work on. Notice that I have them stretched throughout the week instead of just working on the due date. This is going to help you be most successful. You'll also notice that you're working on 2 problem sets at once. This allows us the time that we need in order to continue growing in a particular topic and also to have time to reach out to your course instructor or peers for support throughout your course. It's very important in this short 5-week course that you keep up on course assignments. For this reason, there will be a 20% penalty per day that assignments are late. This includes rough draft thinking assignments, revise and reflect assignments, and formative assessments. Each of these assignments will have a 20% penalty per day they are turned in late. Late work will not be accepted for Test 1 and Test 2. I want to wrap up this video with just a few healthy habits for distance education classes. First of all, if you were taking this class face-to-face, you would automatically have time carved out to work on coursework. This is one of the hard things for taking online classes. You don't have that time carved out. I encourage you to take a little bit of time each day to actually do your coursework. So focus on carving out time to do your work rather than necessarily doing it on the day it's due. It'll make things so much easier. Also, I want you to reach out when things get tough. I, as your online instructor, don't know the things that are going on in your world, and I don't know when you're not understanding because I can't see your beautiful faces every day. So be sure that you're reaching out to let me know what's going on. Finally, be sure you're checking your email on a daily basis. This is the way that I can reach out to you and you to me. Just as you expect for me to respond to your emails promptly, I expect for you to do the same. This is how we communicate with one another in a distance education class. I wish you all the best in this course. I think you'll love it. I sure do.